Welcome back to JJ's Shop. I'm Jeffrey, and today I'm going to be back on the 96 Chev, and I'll be putting it back together, hopefully. And then maybe I can install something else in maybe this video or the next. We'll find out. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm back. So, what we've come up with that should work is I'm going to take all this apart so I don't have to fight it anymore. And then I'll put the knuckle down and up in the ball joints. Maybe if I just take the this off and I can get more room. Maybe, we'll find out. Well, here we go. So I do need to take that off again. Take this off again. CV full nut. So the caliper bracket is 21. I'm just going to take it off like that, hopefully. I think. Might need the impact. You know, I've got it here. Might as well. Okay, I'm going to take the caliper off first and then the caliper bracket. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Get that out of the way. Well, where did I put that? Oh, need to take these all out. Out of the way. Yep. I'll clean them again. Put some fresh grease on. There we go. There she comes. I don't know. Let's see if we can get the bracket out. See if... is. Yep. Still good. Ooh. Need a 10 millimeter. Okay. Actually, I think there we go. Closest thing. Didn't even need to get up. This off. Still okay. Okay. Now, where the heck I can put this? Maybe on the sway bar? I don't know. Somewhere. Stay. Okay. Now I can take the rotor off. And while it's off, I'm gonna spray it with brake clean and clean it off. Cause I'm here, might as well. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, to get the hub off, I believe. Or should we just... Yeah. We'll take the hub off. I believe that's a 15 if I remember. Yep. Okay. Should have plugged it. Oh, that just slides. Okay. That doesn't get... Okay. Well. Okay. Let's see if I can put the caliper up here somewhere. I need to access the there's 4 bolts holding the hub on. I need to access this one right here. Got all the other ones. 2 on this side. If you can see better. These 2. Get up. Maybe. I don't know. Sure, it might work. Just get this. Maybe not. Nope. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna do it by hand. That's okay. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to be taking the hub off and the dust shield. There we go. Oh yeah. Now, oh yeah. Ooh. And we'll move the caliper. Maybe. Actually. There we go. Makes it a little easier. Got the bracket off with the pads. Makes it a little lighter. Now I can hang it kind of by the sway bar. There. Oh yeah. Oops. There we go. It's in. I see. Boom. So, and while I'm here, I want to show you guys. This knuckle is off I believe a 2005 Duramax. So that's the one that works. And then I got the tie rod that goes with it. And then I also tried, because I watched someone. This was off of this knuckle's off like a 2000. I guess you call it light duty or whatever. And there is a difference, if you guys could tell, with this part here, I believe, and maybe where the caliper bolts up to, because I was having problems with this. So I decided to keep these, so for now. So now I'm going to put everything back together, hopefully. Then what I'm going to do, because the tie rods came out pretty easy, so, and they weren't tight, so I'm going to put like a little washer right here. See if that makes it tight. Hopefully. More safer. The hub goes on now. Yep. There we go. Should put some Loctite on this again, the hub bolts. See if I have some. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put some blue Loctite, because that's the removable stuff, on the, because I believe that's what I had, on the hub bolts. Because blue is removable, red's permanent. Or, yeah. There we go. That's about as all you need on that. Then or maybe should probably put this on. See if it will help. I don't know. What was that? The beach. Well, I wish I had another set of hands or someone here, you know? It helps. Put some more. Now I'm gonna put in, I got this one kind of just there. I'm gonna put this one in diagonal, because that should help bring it in evenly, hopefully. Huh. Why I hate. Oh, there we go. Now a bit. Because that actually went back more. That's what you wanted. See, you just gotta hold your breath right. That's the key. Like someone, like Derek says. Then I'll put this nut on. Ow. That hurt. Put the rest of the things on. Hopefully, it might be raining soon. Hope not. This one in. I know it's kind of hard to see because, oh, I got grease in my finger. But I'm just trying to get these in by hand, kinda. So, okay. Now let's get this last one in. Might have to get more of that soon. Hopefully this, well, I don't know. May or may not be the last time. Maybe it comes off one more time. Because I have plans. You guys will see later down, maybe this year, hopefully. Wanting to do it this year. Okay. Now, I guess I can put this somewhat on. The axle nut. It's one less thing I step on. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna look up the torque spec of the hub bolts. Okay, I'm gonna torque it to 92 foot-pounds, I guess. That's what I found. It's what I feel comfortable with, I guess. Go. stand over here. Okay. Now that is done. Leave. Is it this one? Nope. I think that's for the tie rod. Yep. That's calcium nuts for the top, I believe. Let me double check, because yeah, the bottom one's still there. Kinda. I just loosen it. There you go. Oh yeah. Actually, what I want to do is I've got a grease gun around here. Maybe put some grease in there. Ah. See if I can do it without having to redo this. That's what I should have done. Yeah. That's all I need, really. Just so got metal contact. That's why I'm putting this on. There we go. Now, I'm going to spray down the rotor. Put that on, then I can put caliper on. Okay. Got it cleaned off. Heavy rotor. Okay. Now, I can get bracket on. Hopefully. Spray these down. All right. Got the pan. Got the caliper bracket cleaned off somewhat in pads. So I'm gonna install that now. Well, yeah, take the pads off. Make it a little easier. This can be a pain in the butt. Ooh, actually. Puts it Loctite on that. Hopefully I have enough. I hope so. '21. Where are you? Yep. There you go. So again, caliper bracket's a 21. When you do the GMT 800 brake job upgrade, okay, now the other one. Yeah. There we go. So, just so you guys can see, putting these guys in. Then I'll put pads on, an actual caliper, and then let's see. And I'll start buttoning things up. Hopefully. Make sure that's better, I guess. I don't know. More aligned, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Ooh, I'm gonna try it. Gotta put the shock on too. Where is it? There it is. Doing it by hand so I don't strip things out. Then I'll torque it to spec. There we go. Because trust me, you want to get these to spec. So apparently they go to 130. So it's 130. Let's do the bottom one first, maybe. There we go. There we go. That's good. Okay. Now, get the pads on. That way. Then now, trick, put a lug on to help keep the rotor where you want it. I know it's windy, so there. Now, get this guy, hopefully. There we go. Maybe. There we go. Pain in the butt. Don't know. Trick or what? Okay, I got the caliper on now. So now, let's clean the slider bolts off. I'll put some fresh grease on them. Let's see here. See if I can get some. Get one installed. Oh well. Freaking get all this crap off. Yeah. And these are 18s again. I believe. One. Wherever that socket went. Oh, it's right there. Boom. Why am I doing that? I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay, now the other one. Some more fresh grease with this one. Oh, I'm way too much. Oh well. There we go. It's okay. Just I know I'm almost at a light right here, at daylight. So I'm gonna see if I can finish up here soon. And I might catch you guys, come back tomorrow and then do the other stuff. Hopefully. Weather permitting. There's some tie rod. Metal contact. Yep. Wipe the grease off my hands, kinda. There. Let's get this installed. There it is. Okay. Put that on. Right, there we go. 10 millimeter. Where'd it go? Over here. This is the flexible hose bracket or whatever. Hold down for the brake. Just, you know. I don't know the torque spec of this. I'd say just, you know. Just make sure she's tight where it won't fall out. Almost there. There we go. That's probably good. Don't need that. Yeah. What should we do next? Should probably look at torque spec, but that's okay. Connect the this. There we go. That. Now maybe I should do a tie rod. Go. Too many pins. Oh. Maybe this is a washer. Maybe I got too big of a washer. Maybe I need to get smaller. I don't know. Ooh, do I have it? Do I have a 22? I don't know. Yep. There we go. Yep. Okay. Maybe I do need to go down. Oh well. That's okay. Maybe about half that might work. At least I have an idea. Now I'm just gonna put these in, cotter pins. Probably should do it from this side. Just a little tap, that's all you need. Maybe. I can get some stuff out of the way. Maybe. I don't know. There we go. It's in. Now, get all those pliers. I know I'm almost out of light. So I've got these out here. Lights under here. Now, you know what? I'm gonna leave that. And now, going to put the shock on. Maybe. Attempt to. I don't know. Yeah. Oh man. That's the bottom. Now, you guys will notice that bring you in here that one is longer than the other. The longer one goes up top on the top shock bolt, and the smaller one goes in the bottom because you need to go through all this up here. So
Alrighty, yeah, thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today. So if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will. And then, of course, leave us a comment. What you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. And thanks again for joining us.